Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the first video of 2022, and I thought we might as well start it off with a banger, so I picked myself up the Apple polishing cloth. This guy was essentially a meme product from Apple in 2021. Like, tons and tons of people saw this and was like, are you kidding me? The big reason why a lot of people were kind of turned away from this product is because this goes for $20 US, which is a lot for a polishing cloth. Like, I get it, it's Apple, they charge a lot for their stuff, but at the end of the day, this is kind of robbery. Like, a polishing cloth, I guarantee you can find on Amazon for like a few dollars, but you slap an Apple logo on it and there you go, it's worth 20 bucks. And you would think that not a lot of people would order this because of the high price point, but you are definitely wrong if you thought that. This thing actually sold out almost immediately, and I'm one of those people that's in the loop with all of the Apple news and new releases and all that, and I placed my order and I had to wait almost 2 months. I just got it this week just to get my hands on a polishing cloth. So yeah, Apple is going to make a ton of money off of this thing because it probably cost them like maybe 2 cents or something. And if you want to order one right now, you're still looking at about 3 to 4 weeks shipping time. And I just can't believe that this thing is selling out so quickly. If we go onto Apple's website here, it says that it's made with a soft, non-abrasive material. The polishing cloth cleans any Apple display, including nano-texture glass, safely and effectively. What's in the box? A polishing cloth, that's it. And compatibility really made me laugh here. It's basically listing every Apple product in the last like maybe 10 years or so. So yeah, if you have an Apple Watch Series 1 or an iPhone SE, the first generation, an iPhone 6 or 7, whatever, it is compatible with this very expensive polishing cloth. But I guess if you're someone that has an iPhone 4 or 4S, it won't be compatible. But anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I'm really curious to see if there's actually anything different at all besides an Apple logo on here, because it wouldn't surprise me if that's all they did was just slap an Apple logo on there. And Apple actually became the first ever company to hit a $3 trillion evaluation. I think that was today or yesterday actually, and it's all because of things like this. Like, people buy this random stuff, and I'm one of those people, unfortunately. But anyways, let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, here we go. I gotta make sure to put it really gently onto the table because this is a very, very coveted product. So here's the front of the box. So we've got the Apple logo, we've got polishing cloth written on there, and then right here we have the world's best polishing cloth right on the box. It looks absolutely fantastic, a really innovative design. There's the back. Now let's go ahead and open it up. So we've just got a little pull tab right here. I have goosebumps right now. Oh my goodness, look at that. It actually is pretty soft, but in no way am I justifying that it's worth $20 US. You can see the little Apple logo right there. This thing is actually really soft. Maybe it is worth that money. So it came in almost like a little envelope kind of thing, which I don't think I'll be keeping this box from Apple. I do tend to keep a lot of the boxes, but this one just going right to recycling. Alright, so let's take it off of the little packaging thing here. So it says safe for use on all Apple displays and surfaces. For infrequent cleaning of hard to remove smudges on nano-texture glass, a 70% isopropyl alcohol solution may be used. So there's that, but now on to this, which I have been waiting my whole life for. Look at that, a beautiful square with a little Apple logo on it. I actually want to see if this does clean screens pretty well, or if it's just like a standard cloth where you just wipe it and whatever. My gut is telling me that there's going to be absolutely no difference between this and the cloths that I'm using right now, but let's go ahead and test that out. Alright, so for the demonstration, I'm going to be using my iPad Pro. You can see it is really dirty right now, so let's test out this polishing cloth. To be completely honest, I hope it actually does something and that I didn't just, waste the money on the cloth and then just never really use it. But let's go ahead and test it out. Alright, so performance, I'd say, pretty similar to almost any cloth I've ever used before. Gotta get the Apple logo in the shot so you know this was expensive. Alright, I think I've seen enough. It does do a decent job. I wouldn't say it's like miles better than other cleaning cloths on the market though. Like, it definitely cleaned up a lot of the smudges on the iPad, so technically it does do its job, but I think you can get the same job done for a lot less money. I think a lot of you probably knew already, but you are paying more just because it's an Apple product and they charge more for their stuff. Yeah, the material's nice, it's soft and everything, but realistically the same job is going to get done with like a $5 cloth from Amazon. But yeah, that's the Apple polishing cloth. Not worth the money in my opinion. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the cloth. Now don't get me wrong, this is a high quality cleaning cloth. I just don't think it's worth $20 on its own. You can buy a pack of microfiber cleaning cloths that are high end for maybe like $18 and you get a multi-pack. So to get one single cloth for that same price is pretty crazy in my opinion. Now, like we've been saying all video, the reason why you're paying a lot is because it's an Apple product. So realistically, if you're someone that just really likes Apple and has to get this because it's an Apple product, then yeah, you should probably pick this up. But if you're the average person who's just looking for a microfiber cleaning cloth that's high quality, definitely go somewhere like Amazon because you can get a whole bunch of them for pretty much the exact same price. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing and review of the $20 Apple polishing cloth. I still can't believe they're charging for this because back in the day they used to include these kind of cloths with their products, especially nowadays with all of these really expensive computers. Like this 16-inch MacBook Pro behind me didn't even come with one. I had to buy it separately, which is just bizarre. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Leave a comment down below of what you guys think about this. Do you think it's worth the money or do you think it's way overpriced? Let me know down below. But other than that, that's it for the video. Thank you again for watching. I hope you guys all have a great day and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, wipe your phone with this. Wipe it, boy. Wipe it.
Okay. You want me to keep doing that or what?
Yeah. Until it's clean.
Okay. Is that it?
Does it look good?
Oh, well. Yeah.
Alright, how much would you say that cloth is worth for how clean that phone is right now?
How much?
Yeah.
Maybe like 50, 60 bucks?
Are you... This guy is mad.
What?
Are you insane? $50, $60 for a cloth?
Oh, well, Apple is stupid with the prices.
This guy actually thought this was worth $60. You're insane, my guy.
How?
It says $20 and that's still a lot of money. This guy's over here willing to spend $60 on a cloth. You're crazy.
They sell a pen for $300. Are you dumb?
It's not a pen, it's a pencil.
Oh, big difference, buddy.